Hello guys, today I want to bring a surprise package for you guys. I know most people will be wondering what am I doing right now. I had a little problems with my computer. Uh, the HP Pavilion G7 is one of the oldest version of the G series. So today I was trying to use it and I heard some noise from the cooling fan. So I wanted to check what was happening and the computer automatically shuts down. So today I'm going to show you how to open a HP Pavilion G7 laptop and also how to change the cooling fan and check what is really wrong with it. It is really a very serious situation, and I want you to stay tuned and enjoy the process on how I can fix a computer as a multi-talented guy. So stay tuned. Don't go away. Okay. Hello once again. I have simply did what we call reassembling. I dismantled the different devices on this HP. It is called where is it? We have it here. Yes, HP Pavilion G7. I have removed every component that made it the computer. So here we have the hard disk drive, a very small hard device. I'm having here hard disk drive of HD 5K750 60. It's a SATA, and it has a speed of 3.6 gigabyte per second. My hard disk drive is 1 terabyte. You can see this is the modern hard disk drive, very small and portable, so you have to keep it somewhere very safe. And this is the connection from the hard drive to the computer. So let's go to the next session. Here we have this is entirely the motherboard of this G7. You can see how small it is and how portable it is. Every single chip you see here is made up of micro chips that are very sensitive. You can see the resistor, the capacitors and everything that are placed there. Whatever mistakes you do here might damage the entire motherboard. Okay, and you see in this G7 HP G7 Pavilion, the processor is attached to the cooling fan. My cooling fan is let's check, let's see, service series pin of 683196/001. It's very complex, so I have to take off the main aim of opening this computer is because of the fact that I have a bad cooling fan that cools the processor. Now what happens is the processor is right here. So when it works overload, is heating up, it takes the heat from this line, what we call the it uses the principle of physics. It takes the heat from this line and transfer it to the cooling fan that changes that blows out the hot heat, and take out cool air from the environment and pass it through this to cool the processor. When the processor gets overheat, if the fan is not working, if this cooling fan is not working and the processor gets heated, it will automatically shut down or destroy the motherboard, and if you are not lucky, it might explode. So that is the reason why I'm checking it, because mine is not working at the moment. I really don't know why it's not working, although I have been using this laptop for 5 years now, and there is something here that is really fishy, that is not working. So I want to take care of it. I want to check what is going on. So stay tuned as I walk through every processes. And now you can see the panel is empty. There is nothing here except the screen. The screen is working very fine. There is no problem with the screen. So I have to take out some dust that are attached to this computer. So I already told you this is the DVD drive that has been taken out already. So all parts are being taken care of safely. So now let me work on the motherboard and clean up the dust that has been destroying my motherboard. So it is very good that whoever that is opportunity to watch this video, to learn how to to work on this electronic device yourself, because mine, I am doing it myself. I'm taking care of my computer myself. So whatever If this is your first time watching my videos, you should always try to subscribe and click on the notification